Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Teenager Who Cooks. Today in this episode, we will be showing you a simple, quick recipe for school lunch when you're tired of the same old peanut butter and jelly sandwich every single day. So here at my high school, the food is really bad. So being a teenager who cooks, I have to make my own food. I learned this recipe from a Korean friend I had in 4th grade. The main key star ingredient of this recipe is these ready-to-go pre-made seaweed wraps. And basically what we're making is these little triangles, and then they are filled with rice and meats and vegetables, whatever you want. And so you can get this at like an Asian market, a Korean market also. And then some even come with these little molds, which is perfect because you basically put the rice in and then you put whatever fillings you want, put more rice in, press it down, and then we can wrap it together with the seaweed. And we will show you how to do that step by step. Here is some leftover rice from today's meal. And so this is the exact same recipe as my first ever video, how to make rice. So what we're gonna do is we have just some leftover rice, not exact at all. And then here we have some sushi vinegar. So we'll just put like a couple spoons. And then we'll take the spoon, mix it up. Also, another thing you can do to make your rice more spazzy, you can just dump some roasted sesame seeds. And we'll just mix it around until they're spread out. And then here we have Spam. I like to use Spam because Spam tastes good and it's really easy to work with. Some people like to use tuna. Basically, you can use any sort of meat, and not even meats if you want. And then just make a sandwich with rice. You can just be creative and do whatever you want. So for me, I'm gonna use Spam. I'm gonna open up this new can. So again, we can dump it out. So you can just take a big knife. My strategy is just to do it from top to bottom. Slice one big thin slice. And then this little triangle mold comes in handy. And you place it there. And I'm going to use a small knife for this step. And basically carve out tiny little, it doesn't have to be perfect by the way, a small little triangle that will perfectly fit your triangle. And see, we have a nice little triangle. So to stay more traditional with this dish, for our vegetables, we're going to use kimchi. If you want, you can also just use like any old pickles or Chinese pickles. We used to use Chinese pickles. And then also you can use just like lettuce if you don't mind that it's bland. And because these kimchi pieces are a little bit big, just cut them a little bit smaller. Now we're going to open up this big bag. And then inside, find this. So we'll have like another book. Inside this little book, we'll have a bunch of slices of seaweed. And today we're only going to make 2. Strategy for this is basically we'll lay our sheet of seaweed like this, design and like pretty seaweed side down. And then we'll put our little triangle guy here. Kind of try to align it up to the top because later we're just gonna fold it like that and it's gonna be like bam. So first step is we can layer in some rice. Okay, now you can feel free to use your hands here. And then every little step, like when it gets kind of messy, just use the triangle presser thingy and press it down. And then once we press it down, we have a little triangle inside. And Spam is going in, guys. It's perfect fit, so satisfying. Let's pop some kimchi. Bam, bam. that's probably enough for me. And then another big globule of rice. Just plop it all on there. And then I can push it to reveal the magnificent creature that we have created. And that is a perfect triangle. And the way you get this out, anything, you just press down and simply pull this guy up and out. And then you are left with a beautiful triangle. So satisfying every time I do that. Now is the process of folding it up. Folding it up is actually really easy. So you go press it there. Kind of sticks a little bit, so it's easy for you. And then you can fold these corners back down. Fold these corners over here. And then something I haven't introduced yet is included with these little seaweed bags, there's this sheet of stickers. And then you can take the little sticker, and then if you have nice fine hands, stick these two corners together, and then you have your perfect little triangle ready for consumption. And we'll put it in the lunchbox for future eating, and we'll make another one. So our final product is complete. Our two triangles are here. And then these are just some additions for like what would be a perfectly good school lunch. Here's like kind of a peanut butter granola bar. And then these are just some fresh washed strawberries. And what we'll do would be like put these and they would be ready to go. But lots of you must be wondering right now, Andrew, I've made the triangle and everything, but how do I eat it? So right now I'm gonna sacrifice one of my triangles because we have much more to make. And then I show you how to eat it. Super simple. Even you can see here, there are like steps. So this is step number 1. And we'll just peel this down. And this goes all the way to the other side. And you see on the sticker, there's these pre-made little lines. They're easy to tear through. So just go bam and tear through the stickers. Okay, that was a complete fail. We'll have to manually tear through the stickers. Perfect. And then what we'll do, take this corner, pull the plastic off very slowly, careful. And now we can just take a big bite. So good as always. Thank you for watching this episode of Teenager Who Cooks. Make sure you remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to leave your suggestions on what you would put in a triangle yourself in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.